Audio CD 2, Track 43, Unit 1, Going to Miaoli. A tourist is talking to a tour guide about a day trip to Miaoli. Hello, I'd like to know if you offer any tours to Miaoli.
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Great. What's your itinerary for a day trip?
Well, we start the day by visiting some famous attractions.
Ah, yes. I've heard that there are several historical temples in the area.
You're right. We're going to see Ciyu Temple in Junan. It's the oldest Matsu temple in Miaoli. Then, we will take you to Huataoyao. The wood-burning kilns show you how pottery is made.
That should take up most of our morning. What about lunch?
We stop at a traditional Hakka restaurant to sample some local snacks.
Okay. What will we be doing for the rest of the day?
Well, no visit to Miaoli is complete without seeing tongue blossoms. At a special concert to celebrate the Tongue Blossom Festival, you'll be able to enjoy the music and look at the beautiful flowers.
Wow, it sounds perfect. Sign me up.